There's one big problem that every girl will come across in their lives. What kind of a guy are you able to accept as a life partner? As your husband? Could it be an average guy? A nerd? A sporty one? Or a rock star? Or maybe a hipster? Maybe a businessman. I think this is the best. But you often ask yourself, am I good enough for him? Maybe he likes a studious girl. I should probably dress up more. No, I should wear lesser. Is my face too bare? Do I need even more makeup? Oh, no. This looks better. If you think that this solves all the problems, you're wrong. Because the real problem is, can you accept me? Can you accept yourself? Can you accept who you really are? I guess it's time to give it a try.